Today is Sunday, December the 6th, 2013, and we had a rain last night, surprising rain. Yesterday was a little hot. This rain came in, cooled everything down, cleared the sky completely. I'm at Beverly right now, Boulevard in La Cienega. There's the Sofitel Hotel, and you can see how clear the sky is. Little cloud left. There's still some rain on the street, clearing up. Going south, you can see some of the clouds left. Very good rain. Rained real good last night. Last night I overheated when I put the sheets on my body, and I think that when I threw off the sheets finally, and there were people screaming out my window, couldn't go to sleep. It started to bruise, my skin started to bruise, and this is how the environment, the Lord and the environment struck back for my physical body. So this is after my Apple class. I came over here to the Apple store in the Beverly Center. And this is La Cienega Boulevard. Up there's Beverly Boulevard. And after the Apple store class, it's around 11 o'clock. You can see how the clouds mount up. For my Apple class, they mount up with a lot of moisture. There's a lot of moisture in that cloud. But you can see over here where it's breaking, and the sun is out there, right there, and it tries to rain. When I go to these Apple classes, that's 3rd Street, and this is La Cienega Boulevard. It hasn't been raining, but it tries to rain, is what I'm saying. When I go to my Apple class, time and time again, and this is the cloud movement to show where I had been going to the Apple class and how it tries to mount up and rain, how the rain comes around that Apple class. So this is the other end of the block. 2 hours later, I took an Apple class in the Beverly Center right below that dark cloud there in that part of the building, in the top of it. And you mean up around me when I'm taking the Apple class, it knows where that intelligence is coming from, and it's creating rain because this part of the world needs rain desperately. And there's the Beverly Center. I'm on La Cienega, and this is 3rd Street. You can see the sign there, it says 3rd Street, and it's clear on this side. It's clearing up. You can see the sun there through the clouds, and the cloud cover, that's towards my home. You can see downtown LA where I live how the cloud, it comes all the way up like that and right over and then down right above where I was taking that course. And I've come to these Apple classes and created more rain than I got fingers and toes. That's why I'm finally filming it, to try and make a collection on it. Today is January the 10th, 2013, and it's a Thursday late afternoon. The sun's going down over there and you see those clouds. I chased away a big rain today by walking down Wilshire Boulevard 9 a.m. this morning. It's completely overcast and just barely sprinkling. And I didn't think we needed the rain. I had some auditions for the Oscars to be the CPA, Certified Public Accountant, the whole of balance. So I chased this rain away. You can see how blue the sky is. It's around 5 p.m. There's some clouds over there. See how blue the sky is right above me? It is way blue. See, that's right above me. This is the rain cloud cover that I wiped out today. We're inside the car now. As I said earlier, this morning it was forecast it would rain heavy all day today, but I didn't need it. I needed to be in my tuxedo, and so I cleared away the sky completely. So today is January the 10th, 2013 on a Thursday. It's around 5 p.m. and today it was forecast to rain all day, and I got up around 9 a.m. this morning. I went out and I cleared this sky because I had an audition for the Oscars as a certified public accountant. I would hold the ballots for the winners, and I didn't need this rain. I was in my tuxedo and I cleared it away, and this is the result. The clouds were driving around in my friend's truck. You can see the sky completely. I completely changed this day's forecast. Today is January the 16th, 2013, and you can see how clear it is. But that rain that I stopped on the 10th created a huge freeze in the mountains over there. It snowed heavy that night, and on the 10th I stopped the rain completely, but they said it was 2 degrees in the mountains, and it created this huge wind that blew freezing weather down here, but it didn't actually go to 30 degrees. It stayed around 40 and prevented like $1 trillion freeze that was going to attack this city around 1986. I knew where to walk, and I did the same thing. I walked just before that Oscar audition in the right way, and I prevented that rain from coming down. But what could have happened was we got all that snow in the mountains. It could have frozen this city and caused $1 trillion worth of electrical damage. And I predict that I did that work. I say this city that much money because it just barely didn't freeze, and we didn't get any more rain the rest of that day on the 10th because of the Oscars. But I mean, people were freezing all over, and it was just 40 degrees, that wind off of these mountains here where it snowed. It really made this city cold.